Claudia, and I want to talk about how to use Empowered Success to simplify your business. I owe my sanity and so much more to Empowered Success. We used it during the 2018 Diamond Club fall season to take the grand prize spot. We, as humans, love to overcomplicate things. Previously, I was under the impression that I needed to sign up for every seminar, every course, buy every trifold, every tear pad in order to succeed at this business. When I was getting ready to go into Diamond Club, I found myself in my office space filled with so many things, and the worst part, I lacked direction. I decided to do a major overhaul. What I did was I got rid of every material, and I stuck with Empowered Success. So Empowered Success had been rolled out at that time, and we had used it, but not exclusively. I decided this was the time that I really needed clarity, so we went all in. I teach with the Natural Solutions class sheets. We do membership overviews with the Live Guide. And the Share Guide and the Build Guide are really helpful to get new builders on board. The Launch Guide is full of so much information to help guide a new builder as they start their journey. I knew Diamond Club was going to be busy, but what I ultimately wanted was I wanted to create a feeling in my business. I didn't want to feel weighed down. I wanted my business to feel light and airy because ultimately, this is my life. It's really incredible what really doing that overhaul and using exclusively Empowered Success did for my business. It gave me freedom. I no longer had to jump on 4 different websites or 5 different Facebook groups and see what was going on. I knew exactly what action steps I needed to take. I had clear direction. So what I did is I put heavy blinders on, we moved with Empowered Success, and we saw a huge difference. I can't wait to see what Empowered Success does for you and your business.